This is a plugin from Lernwel D called faulknermano. Take 3 guys here and press Control P, and there we got our last curve. These are now, let me just flip this one first. We got 3 curves here and 4 in this direction. What I'm going to do is I'm trying to extend this one. So spline in extender. Yeah, let's just click that one. I'll turn this one off for now. Intender and automatic. Hit OK. And you can see it creates a new spline in between. So that's nice. It didn't quite do, so I'll just use the shift here to move that up and down. You see, that didn't quite work though. Why is that? The reason, I guess, is because we got points here as well. So let's just delete those, take this one, run this over again, intender automatic, okay. See if this works or not. Yeah, there we go. That didn't work. Why is that? I have a feeling, let's see, there should be 7 curves. No, because this one is double now. Yeah. I'll have to do more undos. So be sure that you got 7 curves when you do this. So it's important to undo and check that the number of curves actually is correct if you want to redo it. So okay, these are now gone. Take this one again, spline extender, intender automatic, okay. Move it. And you know what? This didn't work, did it? Why is that? It should have. Shouldn't it? Let's just undo a bunch of times. I don't get it really why it wouldn't work. Delete. Take this one, try again. Same stuff. Move it. Okay, so something happened there. So you gotta be really careful when you use this, because if you do something the wrong way or use undo the wrong way, then it will not work. So just be aware of that. I still think you should download the plugin though, because it does have nice features. So for example, I can, let's see, if I go like this, Control P, and I'll cut that out, paste that into another layer. And what's nice here is that I can use spline extrude and just hold down the T, of course, and move it like that. So now we got some nice curves. That would not have worked if you hit just extend or extender. Wouldn't have, or extrude or extender. It wouldn't have worked. So yeah, still quite useful, even though it can be somewhat tricky. Let's see. Let's try to take this one and run it over again with the same settings here. Okay. And we'll use the move tool. And you know what? That's all right. If I take this one now, let me just try to use spline extrude, see what happens. Yeah, that's kind of like the minus in regards to that it doesn't really continue the spline, so you can see that there's no curve here. It's just straight. Let's extrude. Let's see if that's extrude. So let's see if extender would make it work. It might. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So extender does make it work. Let's see. Connect those two guys. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that made 3 here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's useful or not. Yeah, no, you need 2 splines in order to do that. I could also, let's see, I could also copy this one and paste it. Just move this new one up here. Take this one and that and use connect. That also works. So yeah, just a preview there on how to make this work. Just want to show you one last thing here, and that is, remember when if you want to slice curves, then use select edges. It will not work if you select points or polygons, but you have to select edges. So be in edge mode, take those, and you cannot use the knife tool. You'll have to use cut, for example. I'm not sure if that's the only tool you can use, I can't recall, but anyway, cut will cut it. Of course, you can go like this or make it uniform. For example, hit OK, and as you can see, we now got cut splines, and I can hold down Control while moving this out like that. Just a trick there. In addition to the other techniques using that plugin. So just be careful when you create splines and undo, and if you're careful, then you know what, it will work pretty nicely. You also got options for open and closed. Okay, move that. Take this one, move it like that, and that's it.